Hey guys, it's Andy Hubba with Exit Realty Professionals, your market guide from entry to exit. As always, you can find me online at andyhubba.com or on my cell, 757-515-3028. Today I'm showing you 726 Mayfield Avenue in the Colonial Heights section of Norfolk, Virginia. This is brand new construction by Classic Design Builders, long-standing, reputable, award-winning builder in Tidewater. This is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2,000 square foot approximate living with the 1 car attached. I'm gonna do something a little a-traditional and let me see how this looks. Not too bad. So you can see the blue dot is the house. We've got Coaster Coffee, Northside Park over here. There's a swimming pool, skate park. Really just a dynamic location in terms of lifestyle, amenities, etc. You got incredible shopping right up the street here. That's Little Creek where the Walmart is. We're close to area military bases. This one is 99.9% done. We just need some grass to grow for a certificate of occupancy. And it is available and barely over 300,000 as of early 2020. So as we come in, you can see luxury vinyl plank flooring, a really durable and popular product right now. It is scratch resistant, waterproof, have an electric fireplace, really nice trim package as you can see. Nice upgraded lighting package too. Kind of an open concept here, but we'll wrap around the corner over there in a second. Does have a nice wiring package, structured wiring. Got your audio visual over there for your components. In this closet, there's the structured wiring box or panel where everything is centrally wired. Little eat-in area here. Coat closet. There's another coat closet just off the foyer when we came in. Powder room. Really nice color scheme in here. Pantry in the kitchen. You can see a nice 42-inch cabinet with the crown molding. Real pantry. Granite tops. Stainless appliance package including a nice wine fridge here in the island. Super island. That's a bonus for sure. You don't see too many of those, especially we're just a hair over 300,000 here. And then here's around the bend. So another, if you wanted a little more of a designated dining space, this could work for that. You know, really a flex space. They are gonna be fencing along the rear lot line here, but you can see a nice big patio. That's how wide the yard is, all the way where you can see the hay. Super layout. Garage through here, 1 car attached garage. Again, brand new construction, so you get the peace of mind of a builder warranty, you know, coming from a really reputable Hampton Roads builder also. Let's head upstairs. All the bedrooms are up here. Again, andyhubba.com. I'm happy to help you identify your, you know, forever house or your next house. You know, I help buyers, sellers. We're really educated on the market, especially new construction in Norfolk, Virginia Beach, Chesapeake, Hampton, Portsmouth. Great style on the interior doors. Again, note the hardware. A little different, really cool style. Other bedroom, pull down attic stairs is a bonus versus scuttle. This is your laundry here, right off the master, which is nice. Here's your master, it's got the ceiling fan. It really has 2 walk-ins, so if you want to call it a his and hers or whatever, but you can see really generous on the closet space. Another one again, walk-in. And then here's the ensuite bath, which is tiled for the master. Has a nice tiled shower with the glass enclosure included. Oversized double vanity here, matching cabinets and top to the kitchen. Again, note the tile floor. And then this one uniquely also has a toilet closet. Really nice feature for the master. Down the hall we're full bath, so this would be the guest bath, a good sized vanity here with storage. And then finally bedroom number 4. And then this one has a nice walk-in closet also. Great closets and storage in here. Again, thanks so much for joining me. It's Andy Hubba with Exit Realty Professionals. I look forward to connecting with you. I appreciate your patronage. Please consider subscribing. I am available as a resource for you for all your 757 coastal Virginia real estate goals and endeavors. And again, thanks so much. Make sure when you're home shopping, you make it a priority. Have some fun.